Back again for another session at the Bend Motorsport Park, Adelaide. Away we go. If you're wondering why the dude lets me out first, it's because he's ordered us by lap time. Oh, that third gear. And we're here with MX-5s today, so I'm generally one of the quicker cars, and so far today this MX-5 has been about at the front, which is awesome. We'll take it easy for this out lap and hopefully have a smoother session than last time. You may have seen that on video. Sometimes I don't always get things up online. Last session was a little bit clumsy. Car spun in front of us. I'm sure I'll have that up on YouTube. So we'll just take it easy for this out lap. Otherwise, if I go too fast, I sort of catch the back markers a bit early. Looks like someone's collected some cones there. This is an interesting undulating sort of section, sort of multi-apex corner, and this final one tightens. Some of these MX-5s can go through there flat. This one, my car, not so much. This section here, nice uphill braking. The track sort of levels off, car washes out wide a bit, so you got to be careful. I did run into the grass at one moment earlier today. It was like a bit off more than I could chew. This is another sort of double apex type corner. It's actually two corners, but you sort of link them together. And this is your second to last corner. A tight sort of 120 degrees or something. Final corner. We can take this pretty flat out. Again, I could still go faster through there. Turn one. Got a bit of a vibration in the car. I think the splitters have been working a bit hard. Maybe the mounts are not so happy. Get the car slowed right down there. And down the main straight. On the brakes for turn one. braking very early. I could brake later, I think. I'll leave it in 4th through turn 1. I probably should be taking 3rd, but it's a bit of a funny complex, this first few corners. This is kind of a later apex corner, this one here, number 6. Someone's left some dirt on the circuit there. A lap or two. Frustratingly, just ended on that run out of fuel on that. Uh-oh. I think we're very low. Shoot. Hopefully we'll make it back. Should have taken the shortcut. Turn 6. Didn't think of that. Uh-oh. I don't want to brake, but I kind of have to. Only need to make it around a couple more corners. Don't see anyone behind me, so that's good. Now this is the tight one. Still no one behind me, so we're safe. Whew. So, coming into the pits now, run out of fuel unfortunately. Quick session, got 2-ish fast laps. But that's the Bend Motorsport Park and my grunchy gearbox. Thank you very much for watching though. I hope you enjoyed. It's an exciting circuit. I've mentioned this before, but yeah, really lovely facility. And it's been great to visit. Actually, honestly, South Australian people also lovely too. I haven't been to South Australia in a very long time. For those of you from overseas, it's, I guess, it's in the middle of Australia, shall we say, whereas I'm on the eastern side of Australia. So it's It's about a 7-hour drive from my home to this circuit. Not somewhere I would come regularly because of that long distance, but an absolutely fantastic place to come visit. And would highly recommend it if you're an Aussie and you do track days. Put this one on your bucket list. Anyway, I'm going to try and get back to the pits. Not sure what this dude in front of me is doing. He's trundling on a little slow. There we go, he's gone. I will park up, put some more fuel in and get back out there. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.